Hey guys, this is a 2019 Highlander. Just thought I'd show you how to change out the license plate light bulbs. Now this piece normally sits in here like this, and I've just got this off for demonstration purposes, but you don't need to remove this. Very simple to change license plate light bulbs on these models. You'll notice you've got these clear lenses that sit on here. They run a 194 clear bulb, and all you're really gonna need is a pick. So on these, they're actually pretty simple to do. You'll notice on the side here, there's actually little holes that you can stick a pick in. And then all you're basically gonna do, I usually try to slide this over a little bit, and then we're just going to pry and pop that off. And that's as easy as it is to take the lens off. So there's a closer look if you want. But yeah, all you're doing is sticking the pick in there, and then you're prying it this way, basically to get that to go around the little locking tab that's located on the sides. And then as far as changing the bulb, you just grab the bulb and pull it out. It just pulls out, very simple. Sometimes you can use a little pair of pliers, or if you can get your finger on it, that's what they look like. Just watch, if your lights have been on, the bulb will be hot, so don't burn your finger. And then as far as installation goes, very simple. You just stick the light bulb in there, and then we just go ahead and pop these back on, just like that. So you'll have to do that with that cover on there, but not impossible. So if you have any questions, throw them in the comments. Don't forget to like the video if it helped, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.